So as you can see, we're making some homemade pasta. We're going to do carbonara. And this is the pasta machine. And this is the bucatini, which has a hole in the middle, which you'll see. See the hole? No, you can't see because you use the cutter. But anyway, there's a hole in the middle. And we're going to whip up these eggs with peas and onions. And we have diced ham. We're going to boil the pasta. The water's getting ready. We're going to saute everything in this pan, and then I'll show you how it comes out. Okay, as you can see, our pasta water is boiling. We have our homemade bucatini noodles, and we're starting to get the ham all brown. Now, these are homemade noodles. Normally, they take 12 to 15 minutes out of the box. So we're going to do half that time, and we're going to let that water boil for a second and get those ham cubes a little bit browned up. Then we're going to add the egg and the 3 large eggs, and 1 cup of grated Parmesan and Romano cheese. And we have probably half a cup of frozen peas. So this carbonara is pretty different from what you see on TV, but in the end, it's going to be really delicious. So I'm just going to let you watch and see how we work. My husband Mark's helping me. He has a great channel, Baker Man 524. Check it out. He cooks, he creates things, he gardens, he fixes stuff, and you should check him out. Baker Man 524. It's the homemade pasta. Alright, so the ham and the onions are done, and we're going to toss in the peas. And we're going to turn down the heat and wait for this pasta to be done, because we're going to throw the pasta in with the pasta water a little bit. And then the scary part, we're going to lower the temperature of the pan so that the eggs don't scramble. Yeah, listen to that. Just got to lower the heat, because when we put those eggs in, we don't scramble the eggs. Okay, we're ready for the last step. We're going to take the pasta out of the water, and we're going to put it in the saucepan, and we're going to drain it, not strain it, because we want some of that pasta water in there.
That's what's thrown in your water.
And you can also add water if you need it, a little bit. And so gradually clean out your pasta, your cooked pasta. Make sure you go. Yeah, that's going to be delicious. Alright, we're going to plate it. And you can see I'm going to add a little grated cheese on mine. Here it is, homemade pasta, some ham. It's a carbonara.
I'll serve it with this.
Okay, it's a carbonara done with ham and peas. People use pancetta and they use bacon, but we had some ham that we cooked, so we wanted to. And this was a recipe at a restaurant that I used to waitress at. I really liked it very much. So
A little more sauce in that one there.
sure. That looks good. Okay, that's plenty.
Not enough for you?
Yeah. Now I'm going to put some grated cheese on it. And there it is. Boy, does that look great. Well, thanks for watching. Something you can do with your leftover ham.